think you're protesting. The algorithm thinks you're buying. Every hashtag you fire off is just a free focus group for a boardroom that hasn't met a real human since 1987. Let's be brutally honest. Boycotts don't topple empires. They just optimize your click-through rate. You scream at a logo, the CEO laughs, and your engagement metrics go supernova. The left says it's about moral accountability. The right says it's about free speech. Both are just emotional skill issues dressed up as virtue signaling. You're acting like outraged toddlers throwing a tantrum over a plastic toy. Corporations know this. They run narrative warfare on a budget. They release a statement, you lose your mind, and suddenly their demographic velocity doubles. You're not fighting culture. You're stress testing their PR algorithm. And don't give me that constitutional loophole nonsense. The First Amendment protects your right to complain. It doesn't protect your wallet from price inflation. You're trading actual leverage for digital performative rage. The right claims corporate activism is censorship. The left claims it's justice. Meanwhile, the actual force projection is happening in the supply chain. Both tribes are just delusional coping mechanisms fighting over a checkout cart. You want real leverage. Stop treating brands like political candidates. They're not running for office. They're running on margins, and margins love engagement. Every angry comment is just a conversion funnel in disguise, so go ahead. Unsubscribe, cancel, post the take. The algorithm will categorize your outrage, package it as content, and sell it back to you as a limited drop. You're not boycotting. You're a /B testing their next product line. Ideological exhaustion isn't a bug. It's the business model. You're not fighting the system. You're fueling the churn. The more you scream, the more the machine prints money. Next time you hear a CEO apologize, remember, regret is just a retention strategy. They're not sorry, they're optimizing. Your outrage is just a data point in their quarterly report. So keep scrolling, keep screaming, keep buying. The only thing you're boycotting is your own attention span. And honestly, we're all complicit. The checkout button already won.